If you're experiencing an installation loop with Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and disable the loop effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, CPU, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix installation issues. Post all applications and restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be causing the loop. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted files and repair them. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable these security features and try to install the game again. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall Baldur's Gate 3 completely and then reinstall it. This can help resolve any persistent issues that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the installation loop and enjoy playing Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.